Merhaba
Merhaba.
Yunus.
Merhaba. İyisiniz?
İyiyim sağ ol. Sen nasılsın?
İyiyim. İyiyim. Değil.
Sizin tarafta yağmur yağıyor mu?
Evet. Hiç duymadım ama. Bilmiyorum.
Sizin mahallede de yağmur yağıyor mu?
Hayır yani yağmur duymadım ya. Bilmiyorum. Yani bu sabah yağıyordu ama yani bu öğlen yanıyordu. Yağıyordu
Acayip böyle
ama
gök gürültüsü var
şimdi
ya.
bilmiyorum.
Herhalde öğleden sonra durmadan yağmur
Evet.
yağıyor. Hava güzel yani.
Evet.
Böyle yağış devam ederse yarın okula kapanacak. Açılmayacak büyük ihtimal.
Gerçekten mi?
Yani devam ederse ama
Yani
şu
siz
an vay iyi yağdı yağmur da bazen.
Houston'da mısınız?
Hı? Öyle tahmin ediyorum ya.
Houston'da mısınız?
Evet.
Ha, flood watch varmış. Oo.
Çünkü bayağı iyi yağmur yağıyor ya yani.
Ben şeyde yaşıyorum işte. Ha, benim area'da değil o zaman.
Sizin neredeyse KT'de değil misin
Tamam.
ev? Nerede?
He ben işte North Houston'da problem. Ben South Houston'dayım.
Hmm,
I live in Bel Air yani.
anladım.
Siz Cyprus'ta mısınız?
Yok. Bizim North Houston'da. North,
Okay ya işte problem North işte,
North
evet
East.
evet.
Cyprus biraz
North. Okay, evet
Northwest
evet,
gibi.
orası işte.
Evet.
Evet. Şey Aldine mı?
Evet o
Evet.
taraflarda.
Ha okay, evet evet, orada problem işte oradaymış zaten.
Hmm.
Bir burada bir şey yok yani, iyiyiz.
Ya dışarıda ben yoldan geliyordum da havalan taraftan öğleden sonra 6 gibi acayip
Hı
yağmur
hı.
vardı yani böyle çok öyle göremiyordum.
Oo.
Dedim
Hı
inşallah
hı.
flood'da kalmayacağız. Böyle köprünün altından geçtim.
Hı hı.
Şükür yani. Evet sağ salim geldik. Yunus hazırsan başlayalım. Yani geçen de we practiced a lot
Yeah.
of questions. Now we are working on speech. So I will ask you some questions and also practice some questions related to trigonometry. And next week, I'm thinking to practice some trigonometry with you. Because did you start trigonometry at school or not yet?
Not yet, no. My teacher wasn't here last class, so yeah.
And actually, you're going to learn similar things, but we can go a bit deeper, also solving trig equations and unit circle and two special triangles, that is 45, 45, 90, and 36 and 90, that you're going to need them a lot. And once you understand the idea, actually, it's really easy, but still, you need practice to get self-confidence in solving questions. Okay, Yunus, devam edelim. If you have any questions anytime, let me know. Okay, if you want to practice a specific topic, also I can prepare
Okay.
questions. If not, we'll keep because just we have trigonometry left and one or two topics with you, and after that, that's it for I mean up to pre-calculus level. And just we should go a bit deeper so
Mhm.
that you do not forget things much. Okay, when I say that cosine
Uh,
rule, if you say that, oh, I forgot, that's not good. You should be able to know those things.
yeah.
What are the equation formula,
Uh,
sine rule, cosine rule, right? Some basic things. Okay,
yeah.
let's
I
start.
mean, if there was anything that I would need to study, probably be radicals. Like I suck at those. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
But radicals, didn't we study with you, radicals?
Yeah, but like it's just like simplifying radicals and stuff. I don't know. It's kind of weird.
Okay, we can
But
practice some
yeah.
more questions next time. Okay.
Yeah.
Eunice,
That's
last
fine.
time we
Yeah.
started this, a few questions left. Let's finish this paper, and after that, we'll solve some different questions,
Mm-hmm.
okay? Question
Okay.
5, question A. Simplify the following algebra fractions. Can you do this and just tell me the idea? How would you do that? You try that question B. Question A. What do we do in the first step here?
Well, I would make the denominators the same.
Find the least common multiple of denominators, right?
Yeah.
Okay. What is the least common denominator of x, 3x, and 5x?
15 is, I guess, 30?
15x,
Wait.
right?
Yeah, but how do you go from
Because x
13?
and 3x, 5x. Look at the variable part, the same.
Oh yeah, yeah, 3 times, yeah, yeah, 3 times 5, yeah, yeah,
So 1, 3,
yeah.
5,
Sorry, sorry,
15.
yeah. Yeah, it's
So
15.
if you
Yeah.
can just write here
Yeah.
15x, what will be the numerator of the first fraction?
Um, 45
No, 45. The second one,
plus 20
20. And the last one, 3, right?
plus, yeah, minus 3.
So 65, 62 over 15x. Can you simplify more?
Yeah.
No, because 62, 15, they don't have any common factor. Okay.
Hmm.
And how about question B? Can you do it, Yunus? First, give it a try. I'll give it 1 minute. You remember the difference of two squares, right? A squared minus B squared.
I have a question.
Yes.
X squared minus 64 divided by x minus 8. Isn't that just x plus 8? And then x squared minus 9 divided by x plus 3 is x minus 3.
Yeah. Because first we have to
So you
flip
just
this,
like,
right?
yeah,
Okay, so we can write x squared minus 64. And here we have x plus 3. You mean this? At the bottom, x squared minus 9 and x minus 8, right?
yeah,
Because to divide this, change division into multiplication and flip the fraction,
right.
right?
Is it the keep change flip thing? Like flip, like multiply it and then make it x plus 3 over x minus 8?
Yeah, I wrote x
Yeah,
plus 3 over x minus 8.
yeah,
Now, if you
okay.
factor x squared minus
Yeah.
64, x minus 8, x plus 8, x plus 3, right? Divided by, and x squared
Mm-hmm.
minus 9, it is x minus 3, x plus
Mm-hmm. X plus
3,
3.
x minus 8.
Mm-hmm.
The same idea. It's just the most important thing is can you factor them? And now if you just cancel the common factors, here we have x minus 8, x minus 8, right? And here we have x plus 3 and x plus 3. So at the top we have
Yeah.
x plus 8, at the bottom x minus 3.
Mm-hmm.
Mathematical thinking. Okay?
Yeah.
Now I'll give you 1.5 minutes. Can you simplify question C? But here it's not division or multiplication, it is subtraction. So you have to bring the common denominator and simplify.
Like both sides. All right. Okay. Wait, can I tell you my steps on
Huh?
the steps like I did? I
Did you get
can't
the
tell you like
answer?
can I tell you like the steps? Wait, I'm kind of stuck somewhere. Like, can I tell you what I did so far?
Hmm?
Can I like tell you what I did so far?
Yeah.
Okay. So I made the numerator just 9x minus y squared. 9x squared minus y squared.
Okay.
So I multiply the right side by 3x minus y.
Uh-huh.
So now I have 9x squared plus y squared over
At,
9x squared minus y squared
at the bottom, 9x squared minus y squared. At the top, 9x squared
plus
plus
y
y
squared
squared minus.
minus 9x squared minus y squared.
No, no. Actually, here, you are multiplying top and bottom by 3x minus y, right?
Yeah.
So at the top, we have 3x minus y squared. First, did you write like this?
Yeah. Wait, I don't get it.
Because the second fraction, you're multiplying top and bottom by 3x minus y, right?
Mm-hmm. Mm. Okay.
Okay. Equals. And now if you expand this, it's 9x squared plus y squared minus, what is 3x minus y squared?
Is it not just 9x squared plus y squared?
Come on, Yunus. What is a minus b squared?
Wait, what?
What is a minus b squared?
Oh, wait. 3x plus y and 3x minus y.
A squared minus 2ab plus b squared, right?
Oh,
Because a
oh,
minus b times a minus b.
okay. So then 9x
9x squared
minus 6xy and then minus plus y squared.
plus y squared. So at the
Okay.
bottom, we have still 9x squared minus y squared. And
Is that
now,
it?
huh?
Like, is that the full simplification or is there like more?
Now 9x squared subtract is gone, right?
Yeah.
And y squared, also y squared also is gone, right?
Hmm.
And now we have at the top, what is left? Minus 6xy, 6xy. At the bottom, we have 9x squared minus y squared. Simplified.
Hmm. Okay.
Okay. Why we are practicing a lot, it really improves your abstract thinking skill a lot, confidence, what to do, what you're doing here, analyzing, you can feel it. It's not about just getting the answer through practice thinking. Okay, let me ask another question. Easy question. Okay. Don't say that you forgot this. Read the question.
Find the equation of the line joining point A, 5, 7, and B, 8, 12.
Or find the equation of the line that passes through the given 2 points. 45 seconds, Yunus.
Okay. So
It's raining a lot, Since like 4 o'clock, it's raining. It's like showering here.
I think it's just North Houston. I got like a weird fraction, like 46 over 3. I don't know if that's
What's the
right.
equation?
Y equals 5 over 3x plus 46 over 3.
Plus.
Wait.
Say again, y equals 5 over 3x. What is the b
Oh, I
intercept,
see.
y
Wait,
intercept?
one sec, one sec, one sec. One sec, one sec, one sec, one sec. Negative 12 over 3. Wait, I see what I did. One second. It should be minus 4 over 3.
Minus?
4 over 3.
Yeah. Okay. 5 over 3x minus 4 over 3. Good. Okay. Next question.
List the integral values of x which satisfy 2x minus 5 is less than 8 is less than or equal to 3x minus 1.
Okay, that means to find the integer solutions of these inequalities. All right. 1 minute,
Just solve
Yunus.
for x.
Yeah. Integer solutions. Tell me all the integer solutions of these inequalities.
So which one do I do first? It's like 2. Oh, 2.
You know how to solve it, right, Yunus?
I'll try.
Because if inequalities, we have something like this. A is less than B, B is less than or equal to C, right? So you have to form two inequalities. A is less than B and B is less than or equal to C.
Wait, so I do 2x minus 5 is less than 8, and
Yeah,
then I
that's the
do
first
3x
one.
minus 1 is greater than, yeah, okay. So I got x is less than 7.5,
X is less than 7.5 or 6.5?
6.5. Yeah, it should be
6.5.
6.5.
And
Yeah,
greater than or
and
equal to?
then it should be 3.
Huh?
3?
Okay. Now he's asking the question, what are the integer solutions of this inequality? Can you tell me all the integers between these two numbers?
Okay, 3. Wait,
4?
4, 5, 6.
Yeah, that's it. Okay, it's about
Yeah,
comprehension skill. You understand problem or not? Okay. Yeah, moving. Let's try that a bit faster, Yunus. Do question C. Read question C.
okay. Find the equation of the line passing through 2, -5, and parallel to the line 5x plus 7y equals 46.
45 seconds.
Got y equals -5/7x minus 25 over 7.
Excellent. Let's solve every question like this. -5 over 7x minus 25 over 7,
25
right?
over 7. Yeah.
Okay, good. Given that the product of these matrices is equal to this, find the value of x and y. We practiced the matrix with you, right?
Yeah.
Do you remember how to multiply?
Do you do like the first region like first and
The
then
first column, right? The row.
yeah.
Just remember that if you're given, there's a first row by this column, right? And right as a single one. So if you do this, this x is going, we can, if you are multiplying this one, this appears a lot. You can just write here x and this one is y, right? Usually if you have this kind of equation, let's say this a x plus b y, let's say is equal to c, okay? And dx plus ey, this is equal to f. How can I you solve this in matrix method? It's the same thing as this. You're multiplying this, we call this coefficient matrix. This is A, B, D, E, they're coefficients. And this X, Y, it is unknown. On the right-hand side, we have C and F. So because this 0, 5, negative 2, 4, we call this coefficient matrix. The 0, 5, they are coefficients. What does that mean? It means that here we have 0 times X plus 5 times Y. That's equal to negative 15. And negative 2x plus 4y is equal to 28.
So like
Right?
the top two go with
Yeah.
like the first of the top goes with the top of the like the X, and then the five goes with the Y.
Uh-huh.
Like,
If you
oh, I
multiply
see.
the
I see.
first row by the first column, it is the 1, 1, and 3.
Hmm.
But I don't want to generalize it. If you generalize it, you may get a bit confused. Let's just be very
Hmm.
specific. If you are multiplying 2 by 2 matrix by 2 by 1, right? Because the first one 2 by 2, 2 rows, 2 columns. The second one is 2 rows, 1 column, right? Multiply the first row by the first column and the second row by the second column. You understand what I mean?
That makes sense. Yeah.
Yeah, this is a definition because it's how we define the product of matrices. Okay. And I'm saying that it's a
Yeah.
special case. If you say something, we have this matrix multiplied by this, and it is this. In math, later you will see that. What is that? We just write it as A times X is equal to B. This A is called coefficient matrix. You see, if the entry is 0, 5, negative 2, 4, they are coefficients. And this X
Hmm.
unknown, and B is a constant. Okay, now let's solve this.
Okay.
From the first equation, what is y? Because x is gone. So what is y from the first equation?
-3.
Negative 3. If it is negative 3, then what is x?
X should be. Oh, if Y is oh sorry, -12 plus 12 is um 40. So wait, 10? -10?
10 or 20?
Wait, hold on. One sec.
Because 4 times negative 3, negative 12. Move to the other side is
Yeah,
40, right?
20. Yeah, 2 times 20 is 40. Yeah.
But when you're showing your answer, how do you show if you're working with matrices? So this xy, we show like this. So that's a vector that's equal to negative 20 and negative 3.
Hmm.
It's just kind of foundation. After you just get the taste of these matrices. When you go to a college, you learn in depth because linear algebra course is about everything about matrices.
Hmm.
Okay. All right. Let's do these questions. Given that these matrices evaluate each of the following where possible. A times B, is it possible or not?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have just done this similar question, right? So what is A times B?
It'd be 3 times 1 plus 2 times 3. And then it would be 1 times 1 plus 4 times 3.
So 1 times 3 is 3, 2 times 3 is 6, so it is 9, right?
Yeah.
And the second one, what is the second element?
It should be 1 times 1, which is 1, and then 4 times 3, which is 12, so 13.
13. Okay. Let's do one more. How about AC? Can you multiply A by C?
Well, I mean, doesn't it have to have like the same number of wait.
This A, it is 2 by 2, right?
Yeah.
And C, it is 1 by 2, right?
Yeah, it won't
If you
work.
remember, these numbers must be the same to be able to
Yeah,
multiply.
yeah, I remember, yeah.
So it
Hmm.
is not applicable or none.
Yeah.
And how about
So it needs to
3?
have the
B
same
times
height,
3.
right?
Uh-huh. And how about
Okay.
BC? Is it possible?
BC. What is that? 2 by 1 and a
Mm-hmm.
1 by 2. Yeah,
Yeah.
that works.
So it works. So this 1 and 3 and the 2, 1. You see this 2 by 1, 1 by 2, the resulting matrix will be 2 by 2, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because if it is 2 by 1 and 1 by 2, the resulting matrix will be 2 by 2. Okay, now let's write the elements. It's very easy multiplying this one. 1 times 2, it is 2. 1 times 1, it is 1. Done. 3 times 2, it is 6.
Mm-hmm.
3 times 1, it is 3.
Wait, 1 times 2 is 2.
You pick the first row, multiply by
Oh,
each
I see,
column.
I see.
Right? The
Yeah,
second
I
row,
see.
multiply by each column. That's it. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I'm moving to the next question. Okay, Yunus, this one just closing this. 2 times 1. All right. This one will come back later with a question. All right. Now let's do some geometry and business and all right. A few questions. With the first question, let's do 4 questions from here. Okay,
Okay.
then I'll practice some arc length and sector area problems and the sine and cosine rule.
Okay. Each interior angle of a regular polygon exceeds the exterior angle by 160 degrees. Find the number of sides of the polygon. Okay.
But can you give a try? I'll give you 75
All right.
seconds. Okay, then
I need to use the formula for this, right? What was like n times
first
n minus 2?
the first each interior angle of a regular polygon exceeds the exterior angle by 160. What does it mean?
Like it's bigger by 160 degrees.
But can you visualize that thing? Can you draw? It means that if you have a little size, right? If you just draw one of them, let's say there's something like this. Let's say there's something like this, right?
Mhm.
And now this one is exterior angle. If this angle is, let's say it is x, so this interior angle must be x
X plus
plus
160.
160, right?
Mm-hmm.
And this one is a straight line.
Mm-hmm.
Now from this equation, first we have to find the value of x. What is the value of x?
Well, they need to be 180, right?
Yeah, because a straight line, a straight angle, it is x plus 160 should be 180, right? What is x?
Yeah. 10.
10 degrees.
Wait. Yeah.
If it is 10, find the number of sides of the polygon. How do you find the number of sides of the polygon?
It was like n times n minus 2.
No, no, no, no. If you remember, the sum of the
Wait, no, that's
exterior
the num
angles
yeah.
is, huh? What is the sum of the
Yeah, never mind.
exterior
Yeah,
angles
yeah.
of a polygon?
Uh,
360, right? Always, any polygon, the sum of the
oh yeah,
exterior
yeah.
angles, 360.
Oh, I see. Yeah, okay, okay.
I can also use the interior angle, but it's more complicated than this. So I know that it has n sides, and each angle is 10
Mm-hmm.
degrees. So this one is the sum of the exterior angles. That's equal to 360. Now
Mm-hmm.
from here, what is n? N is equal to 36. So that means it is
Mm-hmm.
36-sided
Okay.
polygon, regular polygon.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay. All
Mm-hmm.
right. This is question one. I'll ask another question. Ask this question. Read the question, Yunus.
In the diagram below, PQRS is a rectangle. The point A is on PQ and the point B is on QR, such that triangle SAB equals 90 degrees. Given that PQ equals 8 centimeters, QR equals 4 centimeters, and QB equals 3 centimeters, and PA equals Y centimeters, write down expressions in terms of Y for AS squared and AB squared.
Okay. So as you see, we are given a rectangle, and we pick one point on PQ, another point on QR in such a way that SAB is a right angle triangle. What is the question here? Let's do question A first. Given that PQ, let me just label those things. Where's PQ? It is 8, all right. QR, it is 4. So this one is 4, and this one is 8. Okay. And QB, it is 3. If it is 3, then this should be 1, right?
Yeah,
And PA, where is PA? It is Y. If it is Y, what is AQ?
AQ. Oh, 8 minus Y.
8 minus Y. All right. Now the question is saying that write down expressions in terms of Y for AS squared and the AB squared.
Okay.
Now,
Well,
can you tell me
AS
what is
squared
AS
is,
squared?
it should be 4 squared plus Y squared.
So which is Y squared plus 16, right? And
Yeah,
how about AB squared?
AB squared. It should just be 3 squared, which is 9, or 8 minus Y squared plus 9.
Or Y minus 8 squared plus
Yeah,
9, right? If you
wait,
simplify this, that is Y squared minus 16Y plus 64 plus 9, it is 73, right?
I thought X minus Y would be equal to like negative Y plus 8.
Yeah, because when it is square, A minus B squared, B minus A squared, the same thing, right?
Oh, okay.
So I want to write the variable first because we know that it is square, A minus B squared, B minus A squared. They are equivalent expressions.
Okay.
Okay, now next question is form an equation in Y and show that it simplifies to this equation. How do we do that?
Or equation Y. Wait, what does it mean form an equation Y?
Set up an equation in Y.
Like, for what though?
Can we set up an equation Y so that we can solve it and get the value of Y? If I ask you find the value of Y, how would you find the value of Y? I need an equation, right? We can solve this and find
Yeah,
it. So
yeah.
if you look at the triangle ABS, right? Can I write this equation? AB squared plus AS squared is equal to BS squared.
Yeah.
And on the right hand side, if you look at this also, what is BS squared? Is it equal to BR squared plus SR squared? Can you see that?
Wow.
It's also a right angle triangle, right? SRB. Is it the right angle triangle?
Yeah.
Now we know what is BR. We know SR. We know what is
Oh yeah.
AB squared. We know AS squared.
Mhm.
Okay. Now substitute and simplify. Let's see what you get. You get the same thing or different thing? 1.5 minutes. For AB squared, substitute that Y squared minus 16Y plus 7 is 3. For AS squared, Y squared plus 16. And for BR squared, you know BR, you know SR. Substitute and simplify. Let's see what you get. You get the same quadratic equation or different?
Wait, so I have to add these up and get Y squared minus 8Y plus 12.
Hmm?
So I have to get Y squared minus 8Y plus 12.
Now, for just AB squared, we had calculated here, right? What is AB squared?
Y squared plus 16.
Y squared minus 16Y plus 73, right?
Wait, what?
Is it equal to this?
Yeah.
Now AS squared. What is AS
Oh
squared?
yeah, yeah.
y squared plus 16, right?
Yeah.
On the right hand side, br squared, it is 1. And sr squared, it is 64, right?
64. Yeah.
Now, if you move everything to the left hand side, what do we get? Y squared, y
Get
squared. Is it 2y squared?
yeah. Hmm.
And negative 16y. 64, 63 plus 16. 89. 89 minus 65, right? What is 89 minus 65? That's equal to 24, right? So plus 24 is equal to 0. And now if you divide each side by 2, y squared minus 8y plus 12 will be equal to 0. We get the same equation, right?
Hmm.
It's like proving identities or proving or verifying that something is true.
Hmm. That's
Okay. And now solve this
yeah.
equation for y, Yunus.
All right. You get 2 and 6. It's 2 and 6.
1, 6.
Yeah.
Okay. If you solve this, y1 is equal to 2,
Well,
y2.
the y's are either 2 or 6. Yeah, and
Yeah.
then the possible total area I need to
Now
find.
we have to find the possible values of the area of triangle ABS. Where is ABS?
The middle.
Okay, there's a triangle, right? ABS. And what is the
Mm-hmm.
area of ABS?
Yes. Hmm?
That's equal to 1 over 2
Yeah,
times
base times side.
times AB times AS, right?
Mm-hmm.
AS.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now the first possible value. Let's say when it is 2. 1 over 2. If y1 is equal to 2, what is AB?
Um, what's AB? It's like, wait, it's not just 2?
Hmm?
Like,
This
didn't we
AB
find
is
AB?
equal to this one, right?
Yeah.
If y is equal to 2, 4, 77, 77 minus 32, is it 45?
Yeah.
Let's calculate this units. First, we have to calculate this, then
Okay.
evaluate. Okay. All right. If y1 is equal to 2, what is AB?
Wait. Wait, didn't we just say that's 45?
Do you remember this AB? Is it for AB squared? This one, Yunus?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm calculating
If
this. If y1
yeah.
is equal to 2, then AB will be equal to, okay, AB will be equal to 2 squared minus
Mm-hmm.
16 times 2 plus 73, right?
Yeah.
But here we have squared. That's why I should take this square root of this one, right?
Mm-hmm.
Which is equal to 4 plus 73, 75, 77, 77 minus 32, that's equal to 45.
Mm-hmm.
Or it is 9 times 5, it is 3 times square root of 5,
3 or
right?
5. Yeah.
And now in a similar way, let's find BS. What is BS?
Okay.
You see this one is BS or AS?
I thought that was AS.
AS, okay, AS. What is AS? It is y squared plus 16, right? So
Yeah.
that is 4 plus 16, which is 20. So that is
Mm-hmm.
2 times
2
square
root
root of
5.
20.
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's conclude this. Now dot dot dot, then the area of triangle ABS will be equal to what? 1 over 2 times AB, 3 times square root of 5, and BS,
Times
2 times
2
square root
square root
of
of
5,
5.
right?
Mhm.
Which is equal to
6 square root of 5.
2 to cancel each other, 3 times 5, this is 15.
Oh, sorry, sorry. Yeah, yeah, yeah, sorry. I forgot the one over two. Yeah,
All right?
yeah.
And now similar way, for the second value, can you calculate units? Now the second value,
I have a question.
y2 is equal to 6. What is the 6? Find AS, AB, and BS, then calculate.
Can I use the restroom really
Is it
quickly?
BS or AS?
It should be AS, but
AS.
can I use
Yeah,
the
you can
restroom really
use, yeah.
quickly? All right, thank you. I'll be right back. Yeah, I'm back. My phone. That took a little bit. All right. We start solving where the y is 6, right?
So one of the six, let's do it quickly, Yunus.
Yeah.
Change the
That
column.
should be
So
36,
one of the six, 36 minus 6 times 16
96.
plus 73 is equal
Yeah.
to 109. Is it 13?
Mm-hmm.
Wait,
Yeah.
yeah, sorry. And AS is the square root of
Should be,
y squared, that is
yeah,
36
plus
plus
16.
16,
Yeah. 52.
52. Good. This 52 is 4 times 13, so it is 2 times square root of 13. See,
Mm-hmm.
let's finish this. So the area of triangle ABS is equal to 1 over 2 times 2 times square root of 13, that is AS, and AB, which is equal to 13.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Yunus? All right.
Yeah.
Now this matrices I'm skipping now. All right. Okay. Let's have blobs. Let's solve one more question here and finish this one. Read the next question.
Okay. The line 3x plus 4 equals 24 cuts the x and y axis at the point A and B respectively. Find the slope of AB and the area of triangle AOB where O is the origin.
Okay. Cuts means intersects, right? That means that x-intercept is A, y-intercept is B. First, number one, find the slope of AB.
Yeah.
And second one, find the area of OAB. It's very easy
Okay.
question, Yunus. So I'll give you 2 minutes.
Yeah.
First, can you give a try?
Okay.
Okay,
Give me
first
like the
find the
slope
x
first.
and y intercepts of this line and then solve this.
But do you want me to find the slope?
What is the slope?
Negative 3 over 4.
Negative 3 over 4.
Yeah.
Okay. And what are the coordinates of A?
Right, so the A would be the x-axis.
Yeah,
So
for x-intercept, y equals 0, right?
the y, yeah, the y would be 0. So do I just put that equation equals to 0?
Yeah. Yeah, you can just calculate. It's easy one. So y equals 0. 24 divided by 3 is 80, right?
Yeah.
Then how about B?
It would be y equals 0. It would be x equals 0.
Mm-hmm. If x equals 0, what is
So
y?
it should be 6.
Yeah, 6. So that means
Yeah.
that our triangle is something like this, right? So this point is 8 and this point is
That
6.
should be 6.
We will talk about
Yeah.
this. And O is the origin.
Mhm.
Okay, then what is the area of the triangle?
Yeah.
AOB.
Should be 1 over 2 times 6 times 8.
Yeah, which is equal to 24.
Yeah, yeah, yeah, yeah.
All right. Let's do this question and move to another one. Read the
Okay.
question.
Given that x is greater than or equal to 1, but less than or equal to 3, and that y is greater than or equal to 2, but less than or equal to 4, find the largest possible value of y squared minus x. Okay,
The
so the
greatest
largest
value of
possible
y squared
value
minus x. So let's say this
would
A
be
maximum is what?
7. Would be
So
7.
y must
The
be
a
greater,
maximum is,
right? 4 squared
yeah.
minus.
Oh, it's y squared. Sorry, yeah, it should be 4 squared minus 1 because you want the x to be small. Yeah,
15. Now, what is the
yeah.
smallest possible value of y minus x squared?
Okay. Hmm. I'm assuming you want them to be the smallest. 1 second. That gives you a squared minus 2ab. Oh, I see, I see. Okay, okay. I don't need to do that. Okay. Wait, the smallest possible value. So I can do.
If you can answer this question correct, I will give you 100 points.
Okay, 1 second. Wait, can make it zero? Wait, no, I can't. Oh, wait, I can make it zero. Okay, I see. Wait, can I just do like, it wouldn't it be zero?
Hmm?
Zero?
It is zero, right?
Yeah,
Why? Because it is square. We know that it
yeah,
is greater than or equal to zero, right?
yeah, yeah.
And now just check, can it be zero or not? Yes. If y is equal to 2, it can be. And also x equals 2 squared, that's equal to zero. And that's why minimum value is zero.
Yeah.
And how about x over y?
Okay, oh, the smallest value? Okay, it would be 1/4.
1 over 4.
Yeah.
Good. All right. We have two more questions here. Skip this. That's the one question. Read question C.
In how many years will a sum double itself at 7 1/2% simple interest?
So that means that you have a sum of money. That means a sum of money here. And the interest rate is 7.5%, simple interest. After how many years the amount will be doubled? Or give a try. You know, simple interest formula, right? Hmm? Simple
Which one?
interest, the simplest one, right? Is principal and rate times
Oh,
time.
times rate times change. Yeah. All right.
Yeah, that's a
Okay.
simple interest. Do you also remember compound interest?
No.
Come on, you know, you studied in Algebra 1, Algebra 2, 7th grade, 8th grade. This
Yeah.
amount is equal to principal,
Yeah.
1 plus rate to the power of time.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah,
Compound
that's kind of easy.
interest.
Yeah. Okay.
And now next in pre-calculus, also you will see continuous interest. What is continuous interest? A is equal to P times
E to the
E.
power RT.
Yeah, RT.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
So we have three types of interest: simple interest, compound
Yeah.
interest, and continuous interest. That's it.
Continuous. Yeah.
But here in this question, we are talking about
Simple.
simple interest.
Simple. Yeah.
Okay. Now 1 minute. Find it. How many years does it take if you invest some amount of money and the interest rate is 7.5%?
Mhm. I have a question. Do I
Yes.
have to use 0.075?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, can I assume the sum?
Huh?
Can I assume the sum? Like just put like a random
Yeah,
number
just
that's
it's
doubled?
principal, right? It's P. So
Like
that means that
P
what do you
into
have? You have
P?
P dollars, right? Investing this. after t years, right? This p dollars
Yeah,
becomes
yeah,
double means 2p.
yeah,
Over this time, it actually earns some interest, right? So that means that p plus this I should be equal to 2p. And solve this equation for t.
yeah. 27,
How much?
26.66.
Really?
Okay, I don't think I did that right then. Hold on. 2p.
So over time is equal to this. If you set up your equation, so p plus what is I? It is p times r times t, right? In decimal
Yeah,
form. So that's equal to 2p. And now p's are gone, right?
I have a question.
Yes.
Wait, why are we doing p plus p times rt?
No, that means that over time you are investing p dollars. Over time, this p dollars earns this much interest, right?
Yeah, wouldn't like the original equation equal to 2p give you the thing?
Now, if you invest now, what is the question? You are investing $100, right?
Yeah.
Over time, how many years? We don't know. Let's say t years. This $100 becomes $200, right?
Yeah, so wouldn't it be 200 equals 100 times the rate times the time?
No, no. This $100 is earning some interest, right?
Uh-huh.
So first you invested $100, and this money is earning interest, right? And together it becomes $200, right?
Oh, and the interest is PR. Okay, okay, I see. I see.
And now if you substitute, let's say this $100, 100 gone. What is I? It is 100 times rate times t. On the right
Yeah,
hand side, we have 100. Or simply, this r times t should be equal to 1.
yeah,
The same, we have to find t. What is t? T is equal to 1 over r.
yeah.
Now, what is interest? It is in percentage, that is 1 over 0, actually 15 over 2, right? So that is 0 0.7.5,
Hmm. Yeah,
Now, if you multiply top and bottom by what? By 1,000 divided by 75 or divided by 25, it is 40 over 3 years. It's about 4 years.
4.
Because simple interest usually calculate at the end of each year, right? 3 years, it will not be doubled, but 4 year, it will be doubled.
Wait, how's it 4?
Hmm? Not
How's
4,
it 4?
actually. If it is calculated every year, but exactly
Oh,
what is 40 over 3? So that's equal to 3 years. And we have 1 year's 12 months, right? And divided by 3, it is 4. 4 times 4. Uh, no, no, no, it's years, right? It is 40 over 3. It's not month. Why am I dividing this?
yeah.
So it's about 13 point something, 13.3 years.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hmm.
All right. It's 2, 2. Yunus, let me ask you one question. Okay. If you solve this correctly, you'll finish the class. The last question. That's the word problem.
Okay.
Read the question.
A man buys N items at X dollars each. He then sells K of them at a rate of 5x minus $2 for every three items, and the remaining items at X minus $1 each. Find his profit in dollars, giving your answer in terms of N, X, and K.
That's how you think algebra, you know. Algebraic manipulation. A man buys n items, let's say 10 books, right? And each X dollars, let's say this $7, $70.
Yeah,
He then sells K of them at a rate of 5x minus 2 for every three items, and the remaining items at x minus $1 each. Find his profit in dollars. First, how do you find his total revenue? Because what is the profit? Profit, let me label this by P is equal to the sale price minus the money that you spend, right? We call this cost price.
yeah, yeah,
And we know the cost price. Here, what is the cost price? Is given here. Cost price is equal to about n items, and each one is X dollars.
yeah. Mhm.
But how about the selling price? First,
What
he then
5x
sells
minus?
K of them, right? At
Yeah.
5x minus 2 for three items.
Hmm. Yeah.
What does it mean? How can I express this?
It's like if you do, I was thinking 3N, but that couldn't work.
So that means K divided by 3 times 5x minus 2, right?
Okay, okay.
To understand this, you can understand like this. For example, let's say you're selling 6, right? Is three items for, let's say, $15.
Hmm.
So that means that one item is $5, right?
Yeah.
Or you can just divide this. That means that two 15.
Hmm.
It's just grouping, right? Does it make sense?
Yeah.
And plus, that's the first part. And second one is saying that the remaining items at X minus $1 each. How many items left?
But N
Huh?
minus 3?
We had N,
Yeah, so
and
N
we sold
minus
how
3.
many of them?
3. Wait,
K
is it
minus
not
3.
3?
K over 3, right?
Okay.
So we sold this many items at this price.
Okay.
And this one is each one is X minus 1,
Hmm.
right? Okay,
Hmm.
let's simplify this. Okay, so that's equal to, now if you open the parentheses, I have here 5 over 3kx minus 2 over 3k plus, and how about this one? Here we have nx minus n minus 1/3 kx plus k over 3. It's a bit challenging, but it's about, abstract thinking skill. That is our total selling price. Can I simplify this? Hmm? We can, right? You see, if I have 5/3 kx and I have here
And then
minus
minus 1 over
1/3
3
kx,
kx.
which is
Yeah.
equal to
Um, th 4 over 3 kx.
4 over 3 kx. Okay, they are
Yeah.
gone. And k's, I have here minus 2 over 3k plus k over 3k, right?
Hmm.
So that is minus one third.
1 over 3k. Yeah.
Okay. And
Hmm.
done. So we have plus nx minus n.
Hmm.
Okay, that's it. Now let's finish this. The first step. Now we find is profit. Profit is equal to, so that item minus nx, right? So this will be 4 over 3 kx minus 1/3 of k minus n. Because it's nx is gone, right?
Hmm.
Okay. And
Minus
this kind of things, you're going to deal with more abstract things when you go to a college. So it's a kind of preparation for college
hmm
education. Not everything is with numbers, we have a lot of letters, variables, so that we have to be good at manipulating. Anyway, Yunus, I will have a look, okay? Maybe next time we'll practice more trigonometric equations and also maybe logarithmic and radical
hmm
equations, okay?
Okay.
Yunus, have a good night.
You
Sleep
too.
well. And did you watch Despicable Me?
No. Wait, there's a new one?
Yeah, it's a animation movie, Despicable Me. You know,
Like
Guru?
you like the old one?
Yeah,
Yeah,
he,
yeah.
he
I
tried to
watched all
steal
of
the
them, yeah.
moon and the vector,
Yeah,
and
yeah, yeah, I watched all of them, yeah.
yeah, the vector says that okay, good night, sleep tight, don't let the big
Don't
bugs
let
bite.
bugs bite. Yeah.
Yeah, I remember this. Okay, goodness, I'll see you on set one is okay.
Okay, okay, have a good one.
Bye bye.